guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Brittney. If you're not, welcome back. I'm gonna be doing a what I eat in a day because these are my favorite to film. And we just went grocery shopping last night, so I have a ton of food. So today's gonna be a good day. Some exciting meals planned. But if you are not new here, you know first things first, I gotta have my coffee. So I already put my creamer in. And then I decided, oh, I should probably pick up my camera. Finish off my Italian sweet creamer. And unfortunately, my grocery store doesn't have...
One eternity later.
So I can never get these off. Okay. And of course, they didn't have the fat-free Ready Whip that I like, but this will do. I think like 2 or 3 tablespoons is only 1 point. Anyways, so, and I just put, like, usually that's like 8 grams. I don't really count my coffee at all, but I have been as like 2 points because I add caramel. I just bought a new one of these last night, so don't worry, guys. So there. Looks like these. So good. Oh my goodness. I crave this. I actually am to the point where like I crave it at night too, so like not just during the day. So I was gonna actually pick up some decaf or uncaffeinated decaf calorie
that you had your
coffee. I was gonna pick up some decaf coffee because I've been craving it at night. I don't know why. Like, it's such a weird, odd craving to have. I also have water. I just filled this up, 40 ounces. I've been trying to get at least 2 of them in a day. 2 of them in a day. Tongue twister. Sometimes when I drink too much water, you guys, I don't feel good, and I don't know if it's from the water or what. And I know water is really good for you. I know you're supposed to drink it on a weight loss journey. I know, blah blah blah. But sometimes if I drink too much water, like if I drink a gallon of water, honestly, I do feel sick. So like 80 ounces is usually good for me. I lose weight while I drink that, and even sometimes just the 40 does fine too. I'm eating my hair, skin, and nail gummies. I actually am very consistent on taking these, but since I ran out of my goalies, I haven't been like keeping up, and my nails started to break, but now they're fine again. A week after I stopped taking these, my nails started to like shred, or like, you know, when you can like lift the nail and it's like peels, and I don't like that. I really like them, and my nails are hard and like long, and I'm so proud of them. All right guys, I'm gonna go drink my coffee. I'm gonna go hit up my emails, edit a video or 2 because I'm very behind on my YouTube, so I want to get updated. I want to keep on track because I love YouTube. That's what I love the most. So I'm gonna go downstairs to my office and chug away. So I will see you guys at lunch or snack or whenever I eat next. It's lunchtime, you guys. I have some chicken. It's got a few seconds left. So sorry for that noise, but I'm gonna be making a salad, and I know a lot of people are gonna be like, really, a salad? But you guys, I've been grooving on salads, and we picked up so much stuff for salads. Don't mind my dishes, I have to do them. Being on a diet, you use a lot of dishes, or I should say not a diet, but eating at home, you know. Here I cut up some jalapenos and some cilantro, which are right here. If you don't love cilantro, definitely skip it. If you don't like spice, skip it, but so good. I have some bacon bits, just gonna use a sprinkle of those. And then I have my red onions. These are actually Amanda Lewis on here on YouTube's recipe. I will take her down below. Guys, go check her out. She's so amazing. Her recipes are so excitingly delicious. So that chicken is like juicy or something. It's sizzling. But I'm gonna try these today for you guys on camera and let you know what I think. I doubled the recipe because this is a huge mason jar. So yeah. And then I don't know what that noise is. I think it's this. Yeah, it is. Okay, and then I have some feta, some reduced fat feta. So I don't know how many points the salad will be, but at the end I will. Our grocery store was completely out of my favorite lettuce, so I just got some 50/50. This is baby spinach, baby lettuce, baby greens, radish, I don't know, whatever. And then I got some more baby spinach. So I'm gonna have a huge salad. So good. And then cherry tomatoes, and I'm gonna cut up a baby dill pickle. And then this is the dressing I'm gonna attempt to use. Never ever ever had this. The chicken's done. I've never ever had this, so before I pour it on my salad, I'm gonna try it. Only 2 points for 2 tablespoons, so we'll see how I like that and if it's any good. And then this is the chicken I'm using. So I just cooked up like 3 pieces. They look done. Hey you guys, this is my salad. I'm so excited. You guys watched me. Whoop! My camera thing needs to be tightened. You guys watched me make it. I'm super excited about it. You guys watched me make it. So I'm gonna eat it. I'll try it on camera for you guys, but a lot of times I don't really like a lot of dressing. I used to douse my salads in dressing, but a lot of times there's so much flavor you don't really need it. So this dressing is pretty decent. It's not bad. So I'm just gonna have 1 tablespoon of it for 1 point. And you guys, this salad came out to be like, it came out to like no points. It's only 6 points. So with the chicken, the dressing, the bacon, I'm on blue as well, so I don't have to count like vegetables and stuff. 6 points for this whole salad, including the dressing. So I'm gonna go eat it. I'll eat some on camera for you guys, and I'm gonna have a Sprite Zero and a water. Okay guys, I'm gonna try this salad for you guys. I know I've showed it so much, but I'm just so excited. Let me try these onions quick. I will show you guys how I made mine. I did tweak it just a little bit because I like really sweet onions, so I can post that for you guys if you'd be interested. But anyways, as you can see, I kind of have sections of stuff, but now I'm gonna just kind of mix it up. Cheers. See, the issue is people underestimate a salad, you know. They think that salads are only like lettuce, chicken, and like a fat-free dressing. You know what I'm saying? Like, spice up your life, girl, and add everything you love. The chicken though does really make a difference. I haven't even put any dressing on. Like, these pickled onions are making this salad. If you do not like onion, you could like pickle I mean, if you like peppers, you could pickle green beans, you could pickle corn, like really virtually anything, and then that'll give you flavor, and it's 0 points. So cilantro, jalapenos, they're really giving me life right now. Usually I eat my salad in a bowl, but to be quite honest with you guys, I wanted a huge salad today, so I'm gonna try a bite with this dressing and let you guys know how that is. Okay, I have the dressing on my fork. What I do is I put it on the side because, like I said, a lot of times I don't really like a lot of dressing. I used to, but I like to just put a little bit on my fork. You guys can't even see it, but I just put a little bit on my fork on the tip, and then yeah, and that way you get your dressing to go further. Oh, it's cold. Sorry guys, my teeth are sensitive. That was a really good bite. Well, I have bacon in it too. Okay, I'm gonna quit. I'm sorry you guys, I'm so annoying. I love food, you know. It's just, it's a bad addiction. Food is a bad addiction, but an extra with my straw. But saying to drink soda, but a lot of times when I drink soda with a meal, it keeps me full. I think it's the carbonation that is like in my stomach and it makes me feel full for a while. Someone just told me that you can get sparkling water and then just add like Crystal Light to it. I'm gonna do that for sure because I love Crystal Light. If you are somebody who doesn't drink soda and you see me and it encourages you to grab it, please, I'm so sorry. It's just a really bad habit. I've had it since I was young. Pop soda is so bad. I used to drink like 2 or 3 cans of regular soda a day or more. I would wake up in the morning and crave it. I would pop open a Pepsi in the morning when I was younger and drink that for breakfast. Like, I would drink them before bed with every meal. Like, it was just really bad, and that's why I tried to kick the habit and drink these, and I lost a ton of weight. Super quick update. My salad is completely gone and I didn't use any of my dressing, so I'm gonna just not even track it. So good without any dressing, but you can definitely add honey mustard dressing, any of your favorite type of dressing, but I just wanted to update you on that. So it's only 4 points for that huge salad. Hey guys, we got Dairy Queen, all 3 of us. Jax didn't, but our cat. But I got a small strawberry sundae for 12 points. Jason got the Wonder Woman Blizzard.
I got a melted Blizzard, it looks like.
What is it?
Blizzard. It's the Wonder Woman Cookie Coalition Blizzard. That's pretty good.
Do you want some? This is Indy's pop cup, but you can have a lick. Do you want some? Do you want some? Come here. Here, baby. Okay, fine, then Indy gets it. Come here, Mama. Yay! Everybody has their way of dieting, and this is what I enjoy. I fit it into my points, and I'm still losing weight consistently. So you guys enjoy what you eat, and never let the judgment of other people determine how you eat. I am happy and loving life. Okay, you guys, so this is the last thing I ate, and I actually made an entire separate video for this recipe. So it will be down in the description bar, but I want to say thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.